We're going to start from the easiest and go to the hardest, and I just want you to do your best, okay? That's it. And have fun and feel relaxed and renewed once you're done. This is considered inversions, and I am a version junkie, so I love these exercises, these asanas. Okay, so once you have found your wall, you want to make sure that you can put your knees at a 45-degree angle on the wall. Go ahead and push your lower back into the floor. And just press a little on your knees. It's a gentle press. Elongate the neck. Feels good, doesn't it? So again, I'm going to go from easiest to hardest. This is something you can do every single day, of course. So find your breath. Relaxes the spine and releases any neck pain. So go ahead again and push your neck right into the floor and press gently on your knees. Nice inhale and relax up. This is the first step. Check like your neck. Make sure there's no undue pressure because this is a shoulder stand, not a neck stand. Adjust as you go through the asana. Let's see, I'm breathing. If you have the strength to stay up, we're going to go ahead and push them and then pattern on them way up. Flex your toes. And switch sides. You can also keep your hands down here if you have enough strength for that. It does take more strength, so go ahead and flex in 3 breaths. Come back against the wall. And then just bring it back down and see the difference. How your spine feels. Push the lower back into the floor. And let your hands drop to your side. Again, here we go. Same thing, we're going to go up. Using the wall. Bring your hands here originally. You can also keep your hands right here, but this is harder. But let's go ahead and bring them up here. We're going to roll our shoulders under. And go ahead and just slightly kick off the wall. And you've done it. This is your shoulder stand, and don't compromise your neck by turning it while you're in this posture. So the next pose that follows this is Plow. Take a deep breath. And one leg goes goes down. You can bend it as needed, and you want the left leg to be straight up with your spine. And this can be bent, or it can be straightened. And switch sides. These are 3 breaths. And you can adjust all the time as you're moving through the process. And back up. Go ahead and hug it in. Come back down. And next we're going right straight into shoulder stand and then your plow. And then we'll go ahead and bend, just like this. Switch sides. Alignment is everything. Do not compromise your neck. And take legs to both sides, knees to both sides, right? And switch sides. And again, if you need to use the wall for all of this, that's perfectly fine. Don't compromise the neck. This is a shoulder stand again. Bring it down. By the way, this pose with your legs up against the wall is a very relaxing, will relax you. It's great to do right before you go to bed. It helps with restless leg a little, depending. Visibly. One last time. Up. Plow. Do your best. Down one vertebrae at a time, hugging your knees into your chest. Elongate the neck and let the lower back touch the mat. Just so good. And one last thing, we want to make sure we do the counter pose. And the counter pose is fish pose. So go ahead and move away from the wall. And your fish, you're going to put your hands underneath your buttocks, flex your feet, and up we go. This is fish. And this is fish. Make sure you're not sinking into your shoulders. And that's it. The best you can do, go ahead and bring your body back up. You should feel a marked difference in your spine. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the short vinyasa. Namaste.